You guys asked for it, so we're making it.
We are so excited to announce that we are headed to France on February 5th to record the best step-by-step night photography course for anglers.
If you want to take nighttime catch pics like this without having to wait until morning, or if sacking the fish is prohibited where you fish, then this is the course for you.
We receive a lot of questions about night photography, and this project has been in the works for a while. We now combine our experience with our knowledge to make this course to improve your night photos no matter what camera you have, even if you just have a smartphone.
While we're in France from February 5th to 6th, we'll be going live on Instagram every evening at 7 o'clock. During the live, we're going to be giving away 1 subscription per day to our course. You can check out the Kwinten Fishing Instagram to see what you need to do to win.
So, if you want to step up your night photography game, the early bird sale is now live. And not only is it a great deal, you also get the chance of winning the A7 III with the 50mm lens that we are featuring in this course.
So go check out quintenfishingtutorials.com or click the link under in this video and sign up for our course.
We are super excited to see you in the course and of course in the live streams from France.